Meaning of everywhere.
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 Everywhere. Everywhere refers to a state of being present or available in all places or locations. It implies that something is ubiquitous, or found in every corner, nook, and cranny of a particular area. Everywhere can also relate to a sense of omnipresence, where something seems to be constantly present or pervasive. It conveys a feeling of ubiquity and pervasiveness in a specific context, whether it be physical, emotional, or conceptual. Using the word everywhere in a sentence creates a sense of inclusivity and can help to emphasize a point by implying that it applies to all situations.